Hi there, I'm Miss Faust. Welcome to another class session. Another wonderful day. Do you have paper? Yes? Oh, by the way, we are going to work on part of speech number 7 of 8, namely conjunction. So, you might want to get out the notes that you have been taking on the noun, pronoun, and so on. Okay? And you will need a pen or pencil. Yes, indeed. So, let's review. Noun, names, person, place, or thing. Okay? Remember that? Okay, good. Pronoun replaces the noun. Instead of saying Shirley, 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 you can switch to she. Okay. Verb, action, doing or state of being. He is tall. Okay. Tough ones. I'm going to go a little bit out of order because you're used to having preposition next. We're going to make it the adjective. Do you remember what the adjective is all about? Hold on. I believe we have a guest. Do you remember Mr. Beagle? Okay. So, for the adjective, we could say Mr. Beagle is cute. Okay? So, that means cute describes Mr. Beagle. We are talking about describing a noun, or we could say he is cute, or a pronoun. He is cute, isn't he? Of course, his little taggy keeps popping out. In case he gets lost, they'll know it. He belongs to Miss Faust. That he's Miss Faust's guest. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Beagle. You're welcome. All right. One moment there. Adjectives, again, describing a noun or pronoun. It's one of the harder parts of speech, but we can do it. What about the adverb? He runs quickly, and boy, does Mr. Beagle run quickly. So we're talking about describing a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Exactly. And quite often we could take a word such as an adjective and turn it into adverb by adding ly, such as quick becomes quickly. Good job. Then, here comes the preposition. Do you remember the preposition? Yes, we're talking about showing a relationship between a noun or pronoun with another part of the sentence. Okay? He went to the store. To is your preposition. Store is your noun. To the store connects or shows relationship to he went. Where did he go? To the store. Wow. Good job, everyone. Yes. Make sure you don't forget the parts of speech. They are so important. Okay. Let's focus on the conjunction. Let's come on over here. Oh, it's a little different. A little change is good for us. Okay. Coming over here. Hold on. Let's do it this way. Parts of speech, the conjunction. So, as I said, number 7. Sometimes we think the preposition is a connecting part of speech, but it really isn't. It has to do with showing relationship between one part to another part. Okay? So it's not truly your connection word. Your connection word is the conjunction. So remember, connects, or in some books it might say joins. So either it connects or joins. Words, phrases, or sentences. Okay? For example, he likes hunting and fishing. Hunting, fishing are words, and they are connected by a special word which is the conjunction. So we go down to here. This is a word I'd like you to make sure you have in your notes. Try to put it in your memory up here. Keep it up here. Remember it. Remember it. If you remember the word boys fan, you will never forget the 7 coordinate conjunctions, the 7 connector words. Yes, there are other types of conjunctions, but our coordinate conjunctions are the big ones, okay? And the ones we're going to focus on. And again, the others may also connect or join words, phrases, or sentences. So you've got 7 what we call coordinate conjunctions, connector words, okay? They are, if you look at the letters, you'll go right back. So you've got boys fan, you've got but for the B, or for the O, yet for the Y, so for the S, for the F, and we're not talking about the number, sorry. We're talking about for her, okay. And, not and, it's not adjective, and for the A, nor for the N, okay. So each one of these words goes back to the letters in the word boys fan. So try to remember the word boys fan. It will help you to remember the connector words. Again, there are other types of conjunctions that may connect, they may not. They have various jobs. We're going to focus more or less on the connector ones. Okay? So connect. When I say connector, I'm talking about connect. Okay? They take one word and they connect it with another word so that they don't fall apart. Okay? He likes hunting and fishing. We need that and. Okay? We need to put the two together. Otherwise, fishing is just going to go, it's going to fall off. Okay? Off the sentence. It needs a word to put it together. Okay? So, conjunction connects or joins words, phrases, or sentences. Here are some other examples. One that's a phrase. Remember, a phrase can be 2, 3 words. Okay, so here's the sentence. There is a library and a restaurant. Okay, we are connecting a library. Okay, hold on. Oh no, not the tub. Let's do this. Phrases. Okay, because we do have phrases. We don't just have one phrase. Okay, so a library is a phrase and a restaurant is a phrase. How is it connected? How do they come together? How are they joined? How is it possible that a restaurant doesn't fall off the sentence? Here is your connector word, and if you go back over to here, it's one of your boys fan words. So boys fan is a good memory word. Okay? There is a library and a restaurant connected with and. Okay, questions. Remember, email me if you have questions. Second one is an example of the sentence. Remember I gave you of the words hunting, fishing. Here's your sentence. There is a hotel, but there is not a store. There is a hotel. That is a sentence. There is not a store. That is also a sentence. Okay? They are joined, they are connected by what? Let's take a look. By the word but. And but is your first letter of boys fan. So there is a hotel. There is not a store. They're put together, so they're together, and one doesn't fall off with that word. That connects the two. And ooh, look, there's a comma. Does this look familiar? Yeah, the comma there. Okay. Do not forget commas. Yes. So we have, there is a hotel, comma, but there is not a store. Okay? So that's what we're talking about with the conjunction. We're talking about connecting or joining words, phrases, or sentences. Okay, here is your assignment. It's right over here. Hot surprise! You were expecting it over there, and we started over there, and we end over here. Wow. Here's the assignment. Make sure you copy this down. You may want to copy down the example. The example is down here. It will help you with this. What I need you to do is this. So write it down, and then I want to see what you change and all that. In other words, copy this down, and then do what you're supposed to do according to here. Rewrite. So rewrite it, redo it. These sentences as single sentences. There are two. See, each one has two. Make it into one, not two. It now needs to be one only. Only one. Okay. Here's an example. Susie watches TV. Period. She reads books. Period. Two sentences. Make it one. So connect. We're looking at conjunctions. How can you connect the two so it's one? Susie watches TV and reads books. Okay? And reads books. Now, words such as but and yet quite often mean it's iffy. We can do this, but only if we do that, as an example. Okay, so be careful. The conjunctions, those words, the voice fan words, don't mean the same. You've got to figure out what do they mean. So and, definitely, when you use and, it's going to mean, yes, I like to bake cookies and pies. But when you say something like yet, that means there's a question there. There's an exception. Okay? It may happen, but then again, it may not. See how I use that but? Okay. The B-U-T. So here's your example. Make sure you've got that. And then you do it with these two. Please write these down and then do this for me, as like I did. Helga works in a school. She works in a theater. Number one. Number two, Sammy does not have any dogs. He has 2 cats. Okay? Turn them into one sentence each, making sure you pick the correct conjunction. Could be any one of those 7. Okay? That is your assignment for today. Make sure that when you're done, and there's not that much, okay, but it's going to make you think about the conjunctions, how to use them, when to use them, and the like. Okay? So when you're done with this, I want you to immediately send it off to me, okay, today. And hold on. Mr. Beagle is coming back. He visited us. Oh, there goes his tag. In case he gets lost. Okay. And Mr. Beagle, the 2 of us, wish everyone a super day. Yes, indeed. Have a super day. Till next time. Bye-bye. Bye.